Welcome back to lesson 2. Today we're going to look at how to navigate between courses and groups. So on your landing page you can see the courses that you're a part of. To navigate a course you can click on it. This will open, and what we see on the side at the top, you can edit the picture if you want to add a specific logo to your class. You have a course options where you can see view course as. If you want to see it what a student sees it as, or if a parent sees the course, you can do that. You can send messages, you can edit some of the settings. There's the app integrations, which we will get into at a later time. For the most part, so materials is where you'll have this folder system within which you are going to build your lessons, your materials, your resources. All of that's going to be housed here. And everything as it appears here is exactly how it will appear for students. So if we go view course as, let's see, Donald, view it as a student would see it, it's going to show you, okay, all those things are exactly there. So the student can see their grades, obviously, but everything else is now suddenly gone away. Okay, so that's how it looks like for that student. So let's go back to the course as the teacher. Okay, so inside the folders, to create and add materials, you use the Add Materials button. You can add folders, assignments, assessments, files, discussions, pages. There's so much that you can add. The next option is Updates. Updates is where you can post messages to the entire group. You can decide which class you want to post to, or you're posting to all at the same time. You draft the message in here. You can also attach files, links, resources. You can even do audio or video recordings and post that message to the school using updates. Students will then receive a notification that an update has been posted. Now, you might not want to get notifications all the time. So in your course, this notifications, you can decide what notifications you want to receive. So maybe you don't want to get an email every time one of these things happen, but maybe a course update is something that you want to know about. Click Save Changes to update those settings. All right, you have your gradebook as the next one. We'll get into the gradebook setup a little bit later on. There's Mastery, which we will talk about, attendance, members, analytics. We'll get into some of these a little bit later. That's the basic navigation of your courses. Next is groups. So if you click on groups, you will see the first 12 groups. This only displays 12 groups at a time. Similar to courses, this will only display 12 courses. At the moment, I'm only a member of one course. But if you want to view more, you click on My Courses, and you would be able to see all the courses that you're involved in, as well as course listing will take you to everything that is available in school. Anyway, before we go there, so let's go back to groups. So navigating to groups, again, the 12 groups show here. If you want to see more groups, click on My Groups. All the groups that you are a member of will display in My Groups. If there are other school groups that you want to see, you can go to school groups, and if you find the group, you can then click whether you want to join the group or create your own group. Once we go into an actual group, let's go into the SS staff group. The landing page for the staff group will be an update page. So if Mark wants to post a message or any of SLT, they can do it in here, and you would get a notification depending on how your notifications are set for this group. If an update is posted, you get an email. You'll also get a notification ping that'll tell you that something has been posted. Same features as in courses. We have discussions, albums, the members. The resources bar here is a space where in time things will be populated, similar to how it used to be on the SS Teacher resources in OneDrive. A lot of this is just going to link to those folders, but that is where you'll be able to find a lot of your resources. And that is basic navigation of groups and courses.